Welcome to the forefront of zoning modernization, where Encode Plus's suite of tools is redefining the landscape for planning and zoning administration. Discover the District Summary Tool, a cornerstone of zoning modernization, providing a comprehensive view of zoning district uses and standards, simplifying research and analysis into digestible reports. The Land Use Lookup tool, a collaboration between Encode Plus and ViewPro GIS, offers an intuitive way to filter zoning districts based on specific land uses, integrating seamlessly with 3D mapping for comprehensive insights. Without navigating around a GIS map, Smart Search emerges as the essential tool for laypersons to access detailed property and zoning information with ease, generating reports for any selected address, parcel, or district. Completely flexible and custom calibrated development calculators ensure accurate, efficient calculations of numeric zoning requirements, streamlining the research and plan development for any project. These innovative tools are not merely technological advancements, they are the bedrock of zoning modernization, designed to enhance collaboration, efficiency, and precision in urban planning. Embrace the new era of zoning modernization with Encode Plus. Elevate your planning capabilities and transform the way you approach zoning and development. Encode Plus is so much more.